Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create a Netlify account and you can deploy your website in Netlify. So without any further ado, let's get into the main task. So first of all, you will get this kind of an interface when you will visit on Netlify. So if you want to create an account, you just need to click on this sign up one. So click over here, then there is a couple of options you will get, that sign up with GitHub, sign up with GitLab, sign up with Bitbucket, or you can go with sign up with email. So here you just need to provide your address, mail address. Let's go to the Gmail and let's copy our mail address from that place. So here I will copy this one and then I will paste it here, and you just need to provide your password over that place and then just click to the sign up. Once you click over here, then you just need to check your mailbox for verify the account. So here you will get the mail over that place, so you just need to keep patience for to get the mail. So when you will get the mail, you will able to verify your accounts, or you can also go with this one. If you have a GitHub account, just go over that place and just click to the sign in, and then it will redirect you to the next page. Here actually you can see we are already in our Netlify dashboard. This is the easiest way to create an account. So now if you want to deploy any platform, you can do it simply by clicking on here. You will see preview project, connect platform, or connect git, deploy again. So let's go and let's try to deploy a file. Just click to the add new project and then deploy manually. Just select this one, and here you just need to drag and drop your project, or you can browse it, or you can go with the easiest and simplest way. Just go over here and then click to the import an existing port, and just click to the GitHub. You just need to be connected it, just authorize this one, and here you will get all this thing. So now I'll click over that place and then give a name that will be deploy, and then here you will get to deploy the thing. So here you just need to provide any deploys, and now here you just need to click on deploys, and it will take a couple of minutes to deploy. And here you can see it already been done. Deploy your projects, then here you can add your domain if it is needed. So here it is working. You can cancel the deploy, or you can see the deploy setting also. This is the easiest way to create an Netlify account and deploy your file here. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.